going on, guys? Welcome to the new week of dinners. We're gonna do barbecue pulled pork. Oh yeah! So that is our massive 7.5 pound, 8 pound, somewhere around there pork butt. We are gonna go throw that bad boy up on the smoker. We're gonna do 380 for an hour and then 225 for 5 hours, and then we're gonna wrap it up, continue at 225 until she reaches 190 in the center. So, got the smoker preheated. We're gonna go throw this on and we'll catch you this afternoon later. All right, guys, what's going on? It is dinner 30 up in here on Friday, and so we are going with pizza Friday night, family night pizza. So, I got 2 of them. All leveled out, thinned out, done the best I could there. Got a little on the edge there, which will probably just burn right off. Got the other one in there cooking. So these instructions are: you make the dough, you let it sit, you roll the dough out, you cook it for like 7-8 minutes in there to get it to firm up, and then you pull it out, then you top it, then you put it back in and cook it for like another 15-20 minutes. So we do 2 different batches here, and then once we get the pizza's all topped, we put both of them in there and they cook all at the same time. It works out really well. So pizzas for tonight. Got all the toppings over here. Almost got done. Got the pineapple, the olives, the onions, the tomatoes. Zoe likes her salami, pepperoni, more pepperoni, Canadian bacon for the pineapples, the pizza sauce, and then basically anything else we can put on there. I like to put a little olive oil with garlic on there. I like to spread that around before I put the sauce on. Makes it delicious. And then, so this morning, the video prior to this, or the footage prior to this, you guys saw me putting this on. That just came off. That was worth about 7.5 hours of low and slow on the smoker. That's a pork shoulder, pork butt kind of deal. I cooked that up because I needed to cook it up before I had to freeze it. I didn't want to freeze it. So that will probably be dinner tomorrow or lunch tomorrow or whatever. We'll make some fresh carnitas for that. So that's a good update here. Let's get these pizzas somewhat kind of halfway cooked and get them topped, and then we'll get them in the oven and get our pizza on. Shazam! Yeah! So that is Zoe's pizza, Christine's pizza, and the other 2 are still in the oven because I must be a little bit thicker crust, so they're taking a little bit longer to cook. So I'll show those to you in just a second. Or TT and Grace's pizza. So we've got the 3. Mine's still in there. Too thick a crust. All right, peoples. There's the daddy pizza. It's kind of got some toppings. A little thick there. A little thick. So that is what we got there on a Friday night. Later. All right, guys, so tonight we are doing, what is today? Today's Sunday? What is today? Saturday. Today's Saturday. So I had that leftover pork shoulder butt that I smoked yesterday. So I diced up like 3/4 of it, threw it in the pan there, getting that little crispy action going on it right there. Oh yeah, crispies. Got some corn going down, tortillas going down. So when it's all dolled up, you got pork carnitas just like that, folks.
The sun's hitting it and everything.
Oh, like perfect, right?
So good.
Okay, I'd love to stay and chit chat, but I'm gonna get my carnita on, so we will see you tomorrow. What's going on, people? Welcome to the last few hours of spring break. Yeah, someone's gotta go back to school. Yeah. All right, guys, Instant Pot spinach artichoke chicken. You follow me? So we got the chicken's in the pool there. Got the spinach here, frozen spinach. Got the artichokes properly opened and partially drained. Got the cashews for later on in the story there. And then our secret sauce over here that I made in the Vitamix. So basically everybody goes in a pool here, you mix it up, make it look all pretty, salt and pepper it, put it down for about 20-25 minutes because it's double the recipe and the chicken's frozen. And then we serve over noodles and call it a night. Let's get it on. All right, guys, so everybody's in the party right there, and it says 15 minutes, but like I said, I doubled it and the chicken's frozen, so we're probably gonna go with like
25.
What do you say, Zoe?
Let's go 25.
Let's split it in the middle and go 23. Okay. What do you think? Uh-oh. Gotta plug our jacuzzi in here. So we went manual, 23. Let's rock and roll. We'll see you in about a half an hour. We did it. We cooked it. We did it. We conquered it. So here's what it looks like, all dialed in there. All the goodies are in there. The yeast is in there. The mayo is in there, and the crunched up cashews. So it makes it all nice and creamy looking, and it thickens it up too, because it's kind of watery when it comes out of the the Instant Pot. So we're just gonna serve over some pasta and some green beans tonight. So that is what's for dinner Sunday night. Later. What's going on, peoples? Happy Monday. Hopefully your work week is getting off to a fantabulous start. So leftovers tonight, Booyaka Shack. So we got leftover spinach artichoke chicken over some noodles. Noodles. So that right there is what you get. Look at that. Interesting. That's what's for dinner Monday night. See you tomorrow. All right, guys, welcome to Hump Day. So we are going back kind of old school tonight there. We're just gonna go with some baked chicken, mashed potatoes, regular, sweet potatoes that are basically converted into baby food there, and some steamed broccoli. So that's what we got for dinner tonight. Little ditty about last night. Not everybody was feeling well, so I only made half the tacos for Taco Tuesday for the kids, and then Christine and I got a U-Baked pizza.
You did not even do toppings for this.
I didn't even do toppings for the tacos. I said, if you want toppings, you're gonna do them, and they just had meat. So we had 2 of the 3 kids weren't feeling good anyway, so that worked out. So that was Tuesday night's dinner. Wednesday night's dinner is the chicken. Let's get it all dolled up. All right, peoples, doesn't that look good? Right there, there's some baby food action. I mean, look at that. Doesn't that look like vanilla baby food right there?
Good,
oh, man.
Looks like applesauce.
Is it good?
It is so good, guys.
Okay.
You should try it.
So that's what's for dinner on Hump Day Wednesday, peoples. What's going on, you food freaks? Just thought I would wrap up this week's video. Just wanted to say we did have a couple, I think there was 2 days in there maybe that we were short on video because we are still trying to get over this nasty coughing, just nasty bug we've got. So I apologize to you guys on that we're still trying to get better and missed a couple dinners, but we will try to make that up to you this week. So appreciate you guys, appreciate all your comments, appreciate all your wonderful comments that you're leaving, you know, hoping that we get well and get better and whatnot. So we read those and we appreciate that, guys. So give us a thumbs up if you guys like this video. Hit the bell for notifications. And we will we'll see you next week, guys. Later.